Hello friends, I hope you are doing good. Today I'll tell you that how we can split our text into multiple columns. For example, I have a column having full name here. You can see I have selected it. Now I want to split this text into multiple columns, that is first name and last name. For this purpose, you have to select this text and then click on data tab, and now you can see text to columns. Click text to columns, select delimited, next. Okay, now you can see that there is a space between each word. Muhammad space Ahmed, Kamran space Akram. So there is a space. So we select here space delimiter. That space is a delimiter. Then next, convert it into text. And now this is our destination, that from this column, from this onward, select the destination and finish. You can see how easily it converted our text into multiple columns, that is first name and last name. For your better understanding and learning, I have some more text here having three words. Select this text, click on text to columns, select delimited. Next, space is already selected. Select next, convert it into text and select the destination. Select this cell from this onward and finish. You can see that it easily separated our text into three columns: first name, middle name, and last name. Okay, now I have another example for you. You can see I have deleted the space and converted it into commas. For your better understanding that how we can convert our data which have commas in it, select the text, click on text to columns, select delimited, select next, and now uncheck space and check the comma. If there is any other condition or indicator, you can select other and select the and type your specific indicator which is mentioned in your text. So here we have comma, so select the comma. Next, convert it into text. Select our destination from this cell onward and finish. You can see that how easily it also converted our text into first name, middle name, and last name in a separate column, and this text having commas instead of space. Okay. Now one thing I more want to tell you, I type date here. Now I want to convert this date into separately in date, month, and year. Select this date, click on text to columns, select delimited. Next, okay. You can see here we have slash delimiter 6/26 slash 2021. So uncheck comma, select other, and here we have typed this slash. Okay, click on next. Now I want it to convert into date. Select destination, that from this onward, and finish. You can see how easily it converted our date into separate columns, that date, month, date, and year. So friends, I hope that you like this video and you have learned very much from this video, that how we can split our text into multiple columns. Please, if you please like this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much. Take care.